launch.
I'm scared on that.
You had it. Yeah. You had it. Easy. You had that speed going. You know, if you'd have been going slow, you probably would have made the right decision, but you had the speed, so.
Yeah.
You just gotta go for it and get out of it. Look at this.
Phew.
Well.
Stinky line there, huh? Up and over. Coming up. Too low a gear.
should have been good. I'm sorry.
It's all good.
Yeah, let me take the gray.
Whew.
Leave this part in front of us.
I am not doing that.
I am not doing that.
It is not worth it. That is skinny up there. GoPro's running though.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
It's just a unique spot. Pretty cool, huh?
It is. He did find a very fucking sketch ass drop back there.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
I didn't see it.
Goes the other way.
Oh. See, Renee. Renee, you gotta lead the next part.
I'm sorry?
You gotta lead the next part.
Okay.
Go past us? Oh yeah, yeah. That's right. I told him, I said, no, I'm not going that way.
Amy's turn to lead.
Amy, we need you to do this section for us. Is she up here?
Yeah.
She rode up here.
Well, she pushed up, but yes, she's
All right.
riding up here.
All right. We'll let her lead this section. Huh?
Yeah.
We need you to lead this next section for
Yeah,
us.
the section to the left coming up.
Yeah. I mean, only
no.
that root
you
ball
did.
that's messing me up. A tangle of weeds up there. Look at
The whole
that
thing
shit.
is. Oh yeah, look at that.
I could see myself grabbing at my bike going off the right.
Get your helmet caught in it.
Yeah, no, my hat. Get my hat caught in it.
Oh shit. Oh,
What did you do?
my foot came off that, and in my head, I'm like, I was.
Oh, like you're backing off it?
Yeah. There's a somewhat committed line here to the left, Amy,
Okay.
which I think has your name all over it.
Okay.
It says, Amy, don't fucking do this.
Yes. Here's where you took that picture of me last time.
Drop.
So this, when we did this last time, this was a waterfall.
This is
Whoa.
awesome.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm not doing that
Why
drop.
don't you guys go down there and I'll take a picture?
I think you can roll it though.
That
Yeah.
is so.
This right here?
great.
Yeah.
I think you just want to hop your back wheel over it.
Yeah.
Because you don't want to go too far, because going down there looks bad.
Oh,
Right.
Wow.
And you don't want to put your shoulder into that rock, because I don't know for sure, but I don't think it's going to move.
No, it's not gonna.
Yeah, so this had water spilling down it.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I think
This
in
is,
the.
I think the picture of this is what's on the, like, when you see Arkansas, best things to see in Arkansas, this is like one of those
Wow.
things. Yeah. This is the Devil's Den, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, with water going over that, it'd be pretty badass for
You wanna
sure.
Take our picture.
Yeah, go get down in that, and I'll take a picture. Because
Down there.
it's good from here. No, that's too low. Go ahead, guys. Get down there. Or are you going to hit this drop?
Why don't you go down there with... do I have a phone on me? No, I don't. Never mind.
Yeah, go ahead. I'll take it. I want to take one of you guys.
Well, I want to hit that.
I'm getting out of your way.
Okay.
Yeah. Renee won't do that fucking Wonderland drop at this
All right,
fucking total gnar. He's like, yeah, I got that.
I got this all day.
No, not yet, baby. I will.
I got you on the
I didn't
GoPro.
realize you're posing. Don't blink, babe.
I'm not posing. I'm just waiting. I'm gonna get out of your way.
You're not in our way. Oh God, I'm not doing that.
Oh, bro.
Move over to the right when you land. You don't hit your shoulder.
Hey, your shoulder was
and
like that
head were
much.
like
Yeah.
a centimeter from the rock. No, I'm not
I
doing
said
it.
you just need to move over.
No, I'm not doing that. No. Hard fucking hell. I was like, oh God.
Did you shoot that notch?
Yeah.
The GoPro is gonna be good on that one
Sweet.
if it's running.
think this is that scene. Hey, John.
Yeah, bud.
This section's kind of amazing. You want to just go first, so you just get it like unedited?
Yeah.
No, you guys just head up. I'll pause.
You sure?
Yeah.
No, I was just talking about you experiencing it.
Oh, no. I'm all good. It is pretty amazing in here, though, this canyon.
All right.
I am filming. Ooh. Oh, this soil's nice.
Oh, damn, stop. Ah, I'm sorry. I ruined everybody's flow.
Look at this notch.
I was still going.
Oh, wow.
Ah!
That was perfect. You landed right at the spot.
That was a good speed.
Huh?
I think I pedaled twice, right?
Yeah.
Maybe one?
You had more speed than I thought was necessary, but you just made it. Oh, fuck.
You got it!
Okay, drop it.
Nice. One and done. One and done. GoPro stop it. it's slick. I know, I'm just looking. Do not touch that area right there.